supu.
Aya kumva tuvugana rero. Ngiye kujya muri Afurika ariko ntabwo nzi icyongereza. Urasubiza ukarebe.
Urasubiza yes cyangwa no?
Yes. Yes vuga.
Yeah.
No ikavuga.
Oya.
Nagiye rero ugiye gisubiza.
Afrima Award. Let's welcome Mr. Jisupu Supu. How are you, Jisupu Supu? How are you?
Yes.
Do you know me?
No.
What about your project, Mr. Jisupu?
Yes.
Do you have your wife?
Yeah, I don't know.
What is your gender?
Sasa hari ikindi kintu gikunda kubaho leta iri kuvugaho Imbuto Foundation Party abantu bose bakomeye muri leta bari kuvuga ikintu cy'abana batwara inda bategereje imyaka bakiri bato. Sasa abana batwara inda bakiri bato uzi impamvu nuko abenshi batazi guhakana, ariko icyo nemerera abana bo mu mujyi bazi guhakana. Uramegera akavuga no I'm not ready but I can kiss you, akabikora agatanga kiss, ariko umwana wo mu cyaro utangiye kumwegera agatangira kandi njyewe mukanya kandi kava gasigara njyewe mukanya njyewe kava gasigara we mukanya we kava gasigara
Ladies and gentlemen, this one is from Nigeria. Is the Beatles.
I'm the villain from Nigeria. I don't work for this award and I'm happy. I will give you hits each and every day. Every day you'll be your wife.